Today on the menu is this peppercorn medley New York strip steak with creamy Worcestershire pan sauce, and the best part is I made the condiment from scratch using these small batch sardine style rainbow trout from Smokin' Chimney's hatchery. This is a fun video to say the least, so let's dive into the recipe. To start, you're going to remove the backbone from the small trout by cutting the head off and making 2 cuts along either side of the ribs. Then remove the bones along the belly. Next, you're going to make a 3-to-1 cure of salt to sugar and mix that with lemon zest and crushed garlic until very fragrant. Pour that right over the trout fillets and cure this for 1 to 2 days or until the fillets are dark and moderately stiff. Once the trout is cured, you're going to rinse the fillets off in cold water and carefully remove the skin. Place the fillets in olive oil, and these will last in the fridge for 1 to 2 months comfortably. These work great on flatbreads and in Caesar dressing as a nice side use. Next up, you're going to add brown sugar, molasses, malt vinegar, salt, and a bay leaf to a glass jar. Using a mortar and pestle, grind together the garlic cloves, green, red, and black peppercorns, ground clove, crushed chili flake, cayenne pepper, thyme, and rosemary until coarsely ground. Then add that to the same jar. Tamarind is a great addition as well, but I just couldn't find any in time for the video. Add in the cured trout along with some lemon zest and give this a good muddling. Then you're going to cover, let this sit in the fridge for about 1 month minimum. Yes, I did say 1 month. 2 months is actually preferred. Once that month has passed by, the flavors should be very intense and it's time to strain this off. And now you have a really good base to play around with, and typically some will adjust for sweetness or saltiness depending on your palate. This will keep well in the fridge for at least 6 months. Keeping in line with the peppery Worcestershire sauce, I'm going to make a simple peppercorn steak using the same trio of green, red, and black peppercorns that were in the condiment mix. Sear both sides of the 2-inch thick cut New York strip until golden brown with a good basting of butter towards the end. Transfer the steak to a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 5 to 7 minutes and make the pan sauce using the drippings, minced onion or shallots. Then you're going to deglaze with the Worcestershire sauce and finish it with cream. Reduce this by about 1/4, season with salt, and cover until you're ready to use. Now, once you're ready to go, you're going to remove the steak from the oven and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Slice the steak into thick cuts, and it's time to completely smother it with the creamy Worcestershire sauce, topped with dried country herbs, and this dish is ready for the table. Every once in a while, it's fun to whip up some homemade condiments to remind us of the intricacies that live within our pantries and should be a good reminder of the hard work that goes into them. If you enjoyed the recipe, give it a like, subscribe, share the video, and drop a comment. I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks.